Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable eye tracking on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to enable eye tracking on your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app. In settings, very first I recommend you have to try to update your software to prevent any kind of issue. Now to do this, just simply go to general, go to software update, and just make sure that you're on the latest version of iOS. There's no any pending software update. If you find just try to update your software. After updating software, just go back and go to accessibility section. Just scroll down and look for eye tracking here. Just select eye tracking and you just have to enable this from here. And once you have enabled eye tracking, you just have to have a first time setup of this. So once you have done the setup, now you can easily use your eye tracking. You can easily control your phone or your iPhone using your eyes. So in this way, you can easily enable eye tracking on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.